Hi guys and welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to use Discord soundbar. So recently Discord just added another feature. It is a feature that is very useful for servers. It enables fun and engaging moments. So what is it? It is the Discord soundboard. What is a Discord soundboard? So in this video, I will show you and teach you how to use your Discord soundboard feature. A quick heads up. So soundboard is only available to play on the desktop app. Mobile app users will not be able to use it, but they can hear the sounds played through soundboard but not play the sounds themselves while on the Discord server voice channel. Now let's start the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is open your Discord. It can be your Discord software on your laptop or computer, or you can use the Discord on your browser. But I'm going to be opening and using my Discord software. So let me go ahead and open it. Once you're there, you need to have a server. It's either you have your own server or you're just a server joiner for you to use the soundboard. So for you to enable to use the soundboard feature on Discord, you need to join a voice channel. So here I have one voice channel here. I'm just gonna click the voice channel and I'm gonna be joining it. So since I've joined it, I'm just gonna go mute. And once you're there, you need to go and open soundboard. It's at the bottom right corner here, belonging to the options here. So when you click open soundboard, you will have to see just like this. So this is the soundboard feature of Discord. As you can see, we have already a free Discord sounds. So let's try and play them. Let's play Quack and let's try all of these. So you can use all of these as your sound effects whenever you are conversing with your server members or your friends while on the voice channel on your Discord server. So you can just play and try the sounds here. You can also adjust the volume if you don't want to hear the sounds. If you're a boomer and you don't want to use the soundboard, you can just go and lower the volume here. And also, for you to maximize the use of soundboard, you can actually add your own sound on soundboard. So just click the add sound here at the top. Click that one and let's try and upload a sound. So I'm just going to click browse and I'm going to browse for a sound effect here. Let me just choose one. So I'm just going to choose this Spider-Man sound effect that I have and let's try and play it. Oh, it's kind of lengthy and loud. So if the sound is quite loud, you can also adjust the volume here. Just tweak it, just listen to it over and over if you're just satisfied with the sound. Also, you can cut the sound effect. So what's good about this is you can also cut the sound effect, make it shorter for it to be easier and not kind of lengthy to listen to. Also, you can name your own sound. I'm just going to name this Spider Sense since it's a Spider Sense sound. And you can add your own emoji for it to easier to find, right? So I'm just going to click the spider emoji and I'm going to click upload once I'm satisfied with my sound. And as you can see, I only have 7 slots out of 8 available. So if you're not using Nitro, you only have your server can have only 8 available slots for your sounds on soundboard. So I only have 7 left. I'm just gonna click X once I'm done uploading my sound, and here it goes. It's now added to my own sound to my server. Let's try and play it. Right, so as you can see, it did not affect the volume of the soundboard. It's just the own volume of the sound we edited earlier. So once you're done with that, you can add another sound. Let's try and add a lengthy one. Let's see if we can add a longer sound. So let's try and add this sound here. And let's listen to it.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm gonna name it not fine. And I'm gonna choose an emoji, just a tired face. And I'm gonna click upload. Oops, there you go. As you can see, we cannot upload more than 5-second sound. So let me just trim this one
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're
3 to 4
fine
second
when you're not
sound.
really fine.
And once done, you can click upload, and I only have 6 slots left. So I'm gonna click escape, and I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sounds on my soundboard. So it's up to you if you can add more. If you're gonna fill all the slots, it's up to you. If you have more sounds on your computer, upload it and you can play it on your server. So if you're a boomer and if you're having a bad day, let's say, you can just turn everyone off in using the soundboard. So if you're a server owner, you can just go to your server settings and go to your roles. In your roles, just click the roles that you have, and you can go to add everyone and just search on the search bar soundboard. So as you can see there is a voice channel permissions. It will enable the joiners to use or not use the soundboard or use external sounds from other servers. So if it's getting kind of noisy and you're distracted with the sounds and you don't want everyone to be using the same sounds over and over again simultaneously, you can just turn this off. And you can just turn it back on if you'd like. Once you're done with that, you just click Save Changes and then click Escape. So you can just try and explore the soundboard more, tell your friends about it, that you can use the soundboard on your servers, enjoy using the sound, cracking your jokes, telling sad stories, and using the soundboard. That is really good to do. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use and upload your own sounds on your Discord soundboard. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.